Good morning and welcome to the AM Volatility Report. I am Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com. Reminder, this is for educational purposes only. Nothing we say should be considered as investment advice. Consult your financial professional. Options have risk. If you lose money, it is your fault. So let's talk about the market. Well, you can see we had quite the crazy trading night. Futures were up as much as 18 and down as much as 18 overnight. And here we are on the open. The S&P is down about 10 with the VIX up big. And this is after a massive turnaround yesterday. Let's just quickly look at a tick chart of the SPX from over the last 2 days. And it is astounding the way the market moved yesterday. And this was primarily on rumors of Chinese and ECB intervention, and you can see it really shot us from really threatening to break 1800 all the way up into 1870, and now you can see, and right back down, we're now kind of retraced to where things are, and we're sitting at this 1850 level, and it'll be interesting to see where we're going to go. Now, if you look at VIX itself, if yesterday was kind of a vol smash, today's a little bit of a vol performance. VIX futures are up nicely. VIX is up nicely despite just a kind of a tepid sell-off. And vol futures are moving relatively well after getting pretty smashed yesterday. So, you know, the question is where to next? And you know, it feels like after a rally like yesterday, the market needs to probably let a little bit more go, probably back off a little bit, and then develop itself a real bottom. You know, we had a really good chance yesterday of kind of really forming a sense of true fear, and then kind of a lot of things stepped in to turn the market around. I'd like to see a sense of a true panic hit us, and I'd like to see the VIX, you know, got over 32 for a second yesterday. I'd like to see it make a real run there like it did yesterday, and then I may be willing to call this spade a spade and say, hey, now maybe is the time to start trading some volatility around the way things are moving. You know, as I look around, where is their strength and weakness? You can see Apple continues to just languish in the 90s. Facebook in the 90s again. Gold, after having a nice little rally, is weaker. You know, there's just not a lot of, you know, there's not a lot of really exciting green tape out there. So, you know, if you look at where everything lines up, you've got VXST, which is weekly VIX, trading at a premium to VIX, and VIX is over VXV. None of this really points toward being super bullish, but then again, who knows? We have the RUT back below 1,000, and again, weak today. And if you look at oil, USO, oil's down again after having a huge V rally yesterday. It's maybe threatening some of its lows again. If oil gets really soft, S&Ps could take a nice little dumpster dive. So all told, this is a trading environment, not an investing environment. That's the way I kind of feel about it. There's opportunities to trade it. Not sure how many great opportunities there are to invest in it. That's the way I'm viewing the trading environment right now. And that's going to be kind of my approach. The market, a little recovery now, but I don't think we're going to know which way things are really moving till after the European close. Things have been so odd, up and down, out of that, and the first half hour of trading has been so confusing. It's been very difficult to tell where we're going. All right, folks, if you've got questions. That being said, I would lean that the market's going to go south from here, not north. If you got questions, you can email me, marketoption.com. You can call me 888-TRADE-01. Hope everybody has a great day, and I will talk to you soon.